Alright, so here we got a little heat pump having at a church. This church is by where I used to live 2 years ago. Here's a carrier complaint. It's got a scroll. It's from 2018 and it's a 4-ton. This is Goodman. I don't know if it just doesn't run or it's a straight cool. There's the data. It is covered now. I think this is actually a straight cool unit. Here, American Standard Silver. Ours are running. Nothing hot. There's a reverser valve. It is from 2020 to 4-ton. A lot more units over here. A Carrier, a Daikin, and a Train XC1000. This is Daikin. It's got a scroll, I think. Ow! That is burning hot. It's a 5-ton from 2017, I think. Here's a Carrier Comfort. It's got a scroll. It's also really warm. That's good. There's some ice on it. It is from 2020. It's 5-ton. Here's the train unit. I think it's actually straight cool. Look at the scroll. I wish I could see inside. Alright. It's got a, I think a climate precipitating. It's from 1999. Oh, it's a heat pump. Never mind, this is actually a heat pump. It's a 5-ton, I think. Let's see if I can find the reverse. Might be in there. Yeah, this train is a heat pump, so that's good. There's a couple of Goodman units. New one and an older one. Five-ton. Don't know what year. 2011, I think. And there's an older one. It's kind of dark, but it is a heat pump. There's the data. There's nothing there. There's one more Goodman over here. And when I'm back to the American Standard. This is Goodman. It's also a heat pump of a couple scroll. There's the data. I think it's been running. Alright, now I'll go show you the Goodman. I'm the American Standard. Other side. I don't know why they keep them all together. Huh. I swear he was here. It might be over here. Yeah, there it is. Over there. Just the last thing that... Maybe it's in the Silver Series. It's got a Alliance coil compressor. And it is from 2020. It's 5-ton. So it's a heat pump. Heat pump. Alright, so yeah. There's a little heat pump heaven. So this is a good place to come for defrosts. Let's carry this hood off. Now you can see. Let's go. Alright. Make sure to like, subscribe. I guess out.